Module 4, Forklift Maintenance, Inspection, and Troubleshooting, Forklift Maintenance and Repair. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final module of this program and the comprehensive lesson on forklift maintenance and repair. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are critical in ensuring the safety and efficiency of forklifts in any operational environment. This lecture will cover routine maintenance procedures, troubleshooting common forklift issues, and how to repair or replace crucial forklift components. This knowledge is essential for anyone operating, maintaining, or overseeing forklift operations. Routine maintenance procedures for forklifts. Regular maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your forklift and ensuring it operates safely and efficiently. Below are the essential routine maintenance tasks that should be performed. Daily checks. Inspect forks and mast for cracks or deformation. Check fluid levels including engine oil, hydraulic fluid, and coolant. Examine the battery charge and electrolyte levels. Check tire pressure and condition. Look for wear and tear. Test brake systems and steering operation. Ensure that all lights and safety devices are functioning correctly. Weekly checks. Lubricate mast parts and chains. Inspect hoses and lines for leaks or cracks. Clean battery connections and apply a protective coating if necessary. Check seat belts and safety switches for proper function. Monthly checks. Perform a full inspection of the carriage and lift chains for wear. Analyze engine performance and check for unusual noises or vibrations. Inspect the exhaust system for signs of clogging or damage. Check the condition of hydraulic cylinders and their seals. Quarterly checks. Change engine oil and replace the oil filter. Replace air filters and other consumables as needed. Conduct a detailed inspection of the electrical system, including wiring and connections. Inspect the structural integrity of the forklift, looking for signs of rust or fatigue. Troubleshooting common forklift issues. Despite regular maintenance, forklifts can develop issues that require troubleshooting. Here are some of the most common problems and methods for diagnosing them. Engine starting issues. If the forklift engine does not start, consider the following troubleshooting steps. Check the battery charge and ensure the battery terminals are clean and secure. Make sure the fuel tank has sufficient fuel and the fuel valve is open. Inspect the starter motor and solenoid for faults. Overheating. Overheating can lead to severe engine damage. To troubleshoot overheating, ensure the radiator is clear of obstructions and the coolant level is adequate. Check for leaks in the cooling system such as hoses and gaskets. Inspect the thermostat and water pump functionality. Hydraulic system failures. Hydraulic problems often manifest as poor lifting performance. Steps to diagnose include: verify hydraulic fluid levels and check for leaks. Listen for abnormal noises from the hydraulic pump. Inspect hydraulic hoses and fittings for damage. Brake problems. Brake issues can be dangerous and should be addressed immediately. Check brake pads for wear and replace if necessary. Inspect brake fluid levels and look for leaks in the assess the brake assembly and linkages for proper adjustment. Repairing and replacing forklift components. At times, parts of a forklift may need repair or replacement to maintain optimal performance. Here are guidelines for some common repairs. Replacing battery components. For electric forklifts, maintaining the battery is critical. Replace corroded battery terminals to ensure strong electrical connections. Install new battery cells as required, following safety protocols. Maintain proper electrolyte levels and ensure batteries are adequately charged. Repairing hydraulic leaks. Address hydraulic leaks promptly to prevent performance loss. Identify leak points using a clean cloth and visual inspection. Replace damaged seals or hoses with factory-recommended parts. Refill hydraulic fluid and ensure bleed air out of the system. Fixing electrical faults. Electrical issues can affect various forklift systems. Use a multimeter to test circuits for continuity and voltage levels. Repair or replace damaged wiring and connectors. Ensure all fuses and relays are in working order. Tire replacement. Maintaining tire integrity is essential for safe operations. Inspect tires for cuts, abrasions, or embedded objects. Select appropriate tire types, cushion or pneumatic based on operating conditions. Ensure correct mounting and alignment to avoid uneven wear. In conclusion, regular maintenance and prompt repairs are fundamental in extending the lifespan of your forklift and ensuring workplace safety. By adhering to routine checks, troubleshooting effectively, and addressing repair needs as they arise, you secure not only the equipment's longevity but also operational efficiency and safety. Remember that improper handling of repairs may lead to further damage or hazardous situations. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and consider professional assistance for complex repairs. Keep your equipment in top condition, and it will serve you reliably for years to come. Thank you for participating in this lesson on forklift maintenance and repair. Please consult additional resources or contact your supervisor for further training or questions specific to your operational environment. Here's a detailed summary on forklift maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting. Forklift maintenance. 1. Regular maintenance schedule. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to ensure forklifts are properly maintained. 2. Daily checks. Perform daily checks on forklifts, including oil levels, tire pressure, and hydraulic fluid levels. 3. Battery maintenance. Regularly check and maintain battery water levels, clean terminals, and ensure proper charging. 4. Tire maintenance. Regularly check and maintain tire pressure, tread depth, and look for signs of wear. 5. Hydraulic system maintenance. Regularly check and maintain hydraulic fluid levels, filter condition, and look for signs of leaks. Forklift inspection. 1. Pre-operational inspection. Perform a pre-operational inspection on forklifts, including checks on brakes, steering, and hydraulic systems. 2. Visual inspection. Perform a visual inspection on forklifts, including checks on tires, battery, and hydraulic systems. 3. Operational inspection. Perform an operational inspection on forklifts, including checks on brakes, steering, and hydraulic systems while in operation. 4. Annual inspection. Perform an annual inspection on forklifts, including a thorough examination of all systems and components. Forklift troubleshooting. 1. Common issues. Identify common issues with forklifts, including battery problems, hydraulic system leaks, and tire wear. 2. Troubleshooting steps. Follow troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve issues with forklifts, including checking manuals, consulting with manufacturers, and seeking professional assistance. 3. Safety precautions. Take safety precautions when troubleshooting forklifts, including wearing personal protective equipment, ensuring proper ventilation, and following lockout, tagout procedures. Benefits of proper maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting. 1. Improved safety. Proper maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting can help prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. 2. Increased productivity. Proper maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting can help reduce downtime and increase productivity. 3. Extended equipment life. Proper maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting can help extend the life of forklifts and reduce the need for costly repairs. 4. Cost savings. Proper maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting can help reduce maintenance costs and minimize the need for costly repairs. Here we have it covered on forklift maintenance, inspection, and troubleshooting. Thank you for staying up until the end of this lecture. See you again in the next lecture. Happy learning, folks. Remember, safety is a priority in every operation.